What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily Vault Army. I am back, Joven is back, and we're about to get vaulted once again in this video. Thank you guys so much, Vault Army, for all the continued support you've given me. I can see the videos getting out there. I see new people coming in and saying, yo, I heard about Vault through you, Meme Coin Daily. I heard about Vault through you. I got a bag of Vault because of you. I see it on my Twitter feed, guys. I see people on Twitter saying, yo, I got a bag of Vault because of you guys. I'm telling you guys, supporting content creators is one of the best forms of marketing. So keep doing what you do, Vault Army. Stay vaulted. Meme Coin Daily, 1,200 subscribers. If you hold Vault, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We're going to be covering everything social media related when it comes to Vault in this video. But as always, guys, please be aware I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Vault Inu, one of the most bullish projects in the space. You can't deny that fact. Vault Army, let's get hype. Let's take over this space. $64 million in market cap. Retrace correction coming down. Still in a correctionary phase. Still retracing. That is fine. Don't worry about it at all, guys. Just do your best. Manage your risk. DCA, accumulate. But trust in yourself and believe in your project. Don't let anyone distract you from what you believe in. There's a bunch of people in the space that are bullish on Vault, and they are the reasons a lot of projects in the past, like Saitama for example, became as successful as it did. And those are some of the same people that are pushing Vault now. Okay, just be patient. The bull market will arrive, and when things turn around and when the bull market arrives, you'll be happy you scooped up that amount of Vault that you got when you had the chance to do so at these levels, guys. What is so interesting about Vault and the Vault Army is that what I really love to see is the amount of content creators that keep joining the Vault Army. You know, majority of people, when you cover projects in the ERC20 space, like the previous projects of the past that did extremely well in the last bull cycle, like Saitama, Kishu, Feg, Akita, Dojala, March, you name it, right? Those type of projects and the content creators behind those projects, those type of projects and the content creators behind those projects already have their lane that is fleshed out for them. All they have to do now is cover Shiba Inu, so they don't want to dabble into making content on any other projects. But when it comes to Vault, I see a few more that are top influencers, top content creators that are now covering Vault along with that top project like a Shiba. They're covering Vault as well, and the reason why is because of you guys as the Vault Army. I can see from the Vault Army and the Vault project itself, it is spreading its roots ever so slightly, just at a steady pace, spreading its roots throughout the crypto space, starting from a tiny seedling and growing into something that is gonna blow people's minds away. Now, when I say this, I am speaking from a perspective of, you know, a YouTuber. I am pretty aware of SEOs and algorithms and things of that nature, right? When you take a look at, you know, Vault Inu on YouTube, let's take a look. You'd see there's multiple videos that are being created on a consistent basis. Guys. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu, guys, right, real quick. Just the same way, there's videos that are being created on a consistent basis for Shiba Inu, guys. And when it comes to YouTube ranking and getting projects out there, one of the main ways of marketing, like I said, consider this as a form of marketing, guys. One of the main ways of marketing is when YouTube videos are being successful in the algorithm. And Vault Army, you have been crushing it on that front. So let's paint a picture. Let's paint a picture real quick, right? We're back. the market is getting bullish once again. The market is moving forward. Things are starting to go on absolutely parabolic runs. Volt is on its way to on the YouTube page, the front page. I remember videos getting recommended to me about Shiba Inu. I have multiple different channels that had nothing that I watched in the SEO that was, you know, about, you know, crypto related. Nothing. I have other channels that I use for my, like, you know, typical, you know, things that I watch to pass the time, entertainment purposes. Like, you know, I watch Joe Rogan and you know, people like that. Content that has nothing to do with YouTube, whether it's like content about working out, you know, content like Joe Rogan podcasts, things of that nature. And at that time frame, you know, I was in crypto at the time, and I wasn't on one of the channels that I never watched crypto on. Nothing to do with crypto, nothing in my history, no SEOs, none of that. And I saw Shiba Inu videos being recommended to me. I was like, what is the, you know, what is going on here? Shiba Inu videos getting recommended to me. It was super shocking to see. That more than likely will happen for Volt Inu as well. There's gonna be people that don't know anything about crypto or never watched anything crypto related in their life, but Volt Inu videos will be recommended to them because the SEO rankings are getting more and more higher for Volt. I know you guys love to crush it on Twitter and social media, but be sure to crush it on YouTube as well, because when these type of videos get on that front page of YouTube, and then there's people that, you know, maybe they watch content that's related to repairing cars, for example, you know, UFC, boxing, right? And then a Volt Inu video pops up on their YouTube page. They recommended it. Like, what is this? Because the SEO rankings just get higher and higher for Volt Inu, guys. I'm telling you guys are absolutely crushing it. And, you know, I just had to speak about that, you know, real quick for you guys, so you guys could realize just how much supporting as the community what you're doing is going to be super beneficial for Volt in the future, especially when everybody and their mama is going to be talking about crypto once again. It's going to be a point in time. I remember the Dogecoin hype. I remember that Dogecoin hype where everybody was saying Dogecoin this, Dogecoin that, Elon, Dogecoin to the moon every single day. I remember that Dogecoin hype. It's going to be the same thing with Volt Inu. There's going to be a Volt Inu hype phase, extra hype phase. It's already hype in a bear market. In bear market conditions, it's already this hype. There's going to be that Volt Inu hype phase where everybody, you will not avoid Volt Inu. Every crypto live stream, Volt Inu, Volt Inu, Volt Inu. I remember the same time I was watching channels like Cryptos Are Us, big crypto channel, always talking about Bitcoin. Top coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, top altcoins, Matic, Polygon Matic, projects like that, right? And I remember being in his stream and people were mentioning Shiba Inu to him, and he was ignoring it at the time. He was ignoring it. Just so many Shiba Inu videos. This was like, you know, just around the start of the bull market, just you know, some mid bull market. Some people were mentioning Shiba Inu to him in his live stream. He was ignoring it. You know, when he started to cover it when it's already billions and billions of market cap, that's when he started to cover Shiba Inu. He said, I was wrong about Shiba Inu. Now you're wrong about it. And this is why I say, guys, this is the time when you focus on projects that you believe in. This is the moments that you focus on projects you believe in. It's going to be the same thing, guys. The Volt army is going to be raiding every live stream. People are gonna ignore it at first, and then all of a sudden, boom, Volt is at billions of dollars in market cap, and then you see all these videos. I was wrong about Volt Inu. You guys that are here at these moments, not worrying, doing your best to push your project forward, will be rewarded in the future. A tweet from the official Volt Inu Twitter: make DeFi fun, easy, and addictive. Make it burn. Bring the masses and fiat to DeFi. Oh man, and we have a little video right here. Look at, let's see what we got. Volty change, Volt Inu, always voted. Let's vote it, guys. Volt army, let's vote it. Volty change, such a great use case, such a great utility, being able to burn any project in the space. You know, it's gonna take some time for people to take, you know, full notice of just how bullish that is. Any project in the space is getting burned on Volty change. It's gonna take the masses some time. The early adopters are there first. It's gonna take the masses some time, but eventually it'll click, and then all of a sudden they'll have so much more volume on Volty change, so many more users on Volty change, which in turn will burn Volt Inu as well. Nice little video graphic, guys. I love that. That was great. Every news cycle increases exposure, accessibility, and adoption. The only difference the next one will have is that it will vote. And MetaMask put out a tweet that the official Volt Inu retweeted. Our US users will now be able to fund their wallet with ETH via PayPal. Wow. So you see that, guys, as time progresses, this is what I love about the crypto space. One of the things that I love so much is seeing the technology advance right before my eyes. Like I feel so early. We are so early to everything, guys. The technology is just gonna advance right before our eyes, and it's gonna be so, you know, I can't wait till we get to the point where crypto is just second nature. We're using it like any other social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. We're gonna be using it like any other social media platform, just seamlessly in our day-to-day lives. And guess what? It will be voted. And right here we have a tweet from CryptoShade.eth. Shout out to the top 10 exchanges for Volt by 24-hour volume. Wow, as we can see here, Poloniex, BTCX, Gate.io, Beconomy Exchange, DIFX, CoinTiger, BKEX, Uniswap, CoinW, and LBank. All of them with great trade volume. 1.4 million on Poloniex, around 1.2 million on BTCEX, 974k on Gate.io, 171k on Beconomy Exchange. All great trade volume, guys. But it's even greater to see that the Poloniex listing was a more recent listing, and we have so much trade volume on Poloniex. 32% of our top 10 trade volume is from Poloniex, guys. That is absolutely bullish. I know for a fact, like, when future exchanges happen for Volt, my guess is, like I said already, guys, would be Huobi and then KuCoin, or, you know, just those two would be next. And I'm telling you guys, don't rule out anything for the future. Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com as well. Exercise patient, believe in your project, stay doing your best to push your project forward, and everything will indeed be voted. Another tweet from CK, Volt Inu official had a hell of a year one. Here's to many more years of the same. Year two is on its way. 2023 is going to be a big, huge year for Volt. I'm sure of it, guys. I really love this image, guys. This chart shows the start of Volt from December 19th, 2021 to where it's at right now. And in this gap right here, we have the migration. But as you guys can see, this has just been a huge trend line. We ever hardly break below this trend line, guys. You guys don't think this trend line will just continue whenever the Fed decides to reduce interest rates, pause interest rates, have a pivot? There's disinflation, because there's inflation and then there's disinflation, like I told you guys in my previous videos. You guys could look into that, guys. And you know, this trend line for Volt, the next year after that, further and further to the upside. And a final tweet from Crypto Bale, 17.5k followers accumulating Volt. Here's a no-brainer. Now around 60 million market cap, with one of the best dev teams around and an insanely strong community. Absolute understatement. Absolute understatements right here, guys. telling you, I see the voltage every day. You guys, man, absolutely insane. Votoshi and the team, the top community members, absolutely crushing it. You'll bite yourself for not buying this now during the next bull run. Wiser words have never been spoken. Can't wait for stage 5 of the roadmap whenever that unveils. That's gonna be very bullish news. I'll be definitely happy to cover it, break it down, all the goals that are listed one at a time. As always, Volt Army, the voltage never stops. Thank you so much for tuning in, especially if you made it to the end of the video. I appreciate you so much. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Volt Army really helps the channel out. This is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.